Hi. Hey guys, so this is my cat Kleenex. She's beautiful white. There I am dabbing on her arm. She's got this beautiful beige color, browns. So I'm going to do a look inspired by her. The standout part to me about Kleenex is her beautiful white fur that she takes such good care of. So I'm going to focus on that being the center of the look. So I put like a camel color on the upper crease, this brown on the outer corner, and then I cut the crease and I gave myself some white with Sugarpill Tako, which I love, by the way. I recently got Tako. I was going to do this video sooner, but I couldn't do it because I didn't have the whitest white ever. And apparently this is the whitest white ever, and it is. I couldn't do that without Tako because Kleenex's fur is so white and I just love it. She's constantly cleaning herself and she's the fluffiest girl. I wanted the outer corner color to come to where the pupil was, and then a bitch was eating her nuggets. You know, I'm with the shits. I fucks with nuggets hard.
You only love me when you want punani.
Queen bitch, the red lipstick, the all black Harley, for me black Bobby. If I can blow job, it's a motherfucking Harley. Under 7 inches, sorry. Mean I can't fuck with them. I like to ride the cock till you hit the spot. Come on, baby, make it hot. Got a convertible? Drop the top. Before we do a thing, I want the diamonds and the rings, the furs, the minks, the jewels, the links. You know I'm freaky, so yeah, gotta be me and ya. Know you hate me, but I'm getting naked. You ain't in this, you ain't in this. Real dogs exist. Fuck the campaign, the girls are campaign, and ain't nothing you sipping on the campaign. Real dogs exist. Fuck the campaign, the girls are campaign, and ain't nothing you sipping on the campaign. Come on, baby, make it hot. Ride the cock till you hit the spot.
Then I'm doing my white under eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And then the NYX Oil Primer, I forgot it, so I'm just chucking that on. I just got some work done on my face. Otherwise, I would just be smearing it on, you know me. And then I'm going to finish those white under eyes. And I use the Danessa Myricks Matte 24-hour color in Lift as well to do this. I did put on for my foundation the Wet n Wild Photofocus, but it wasn't enough coverage, so I moved into the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation for that. Then contouring with the Matchstick in Chestnut, I think. I'll put the color down below. I wanted to contour a bit. I'm not sure what I was reading there, but a bitch was surprised, you know, whatever. And then I'm putting a pressed powder in NC15 over the contour so they're not as harsh. And then I'm setting with Coty Airspun. I'm enhancing that white under my eyes with Shivering White by MAC. And then I'm going to do blush, mixing the two Juvia's Place palettes, those two colors I just pointed at. Love this combination. It is so pretty. I love an orange tone blush. And that's what this gave me. Contouring the nose, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Omega Tan here. Or whatever it's called. You know the one. Putting on some Vanessa's Vanity Translucent Highlighter. Translucent Ice or something. And then the Danessa Myricks Enlight. You know I live for this. And then I'm spot highlighting with another Danessa Myricks Enlight. The one is in light. The first one I used is in light, and then the second one I used is in ice, I believe. And then I'm using the Marc Jacobs highlighting powder on the outer corners of the forehead, and then on the inner of the forehead, I am using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter, the new one. White eyeliner, black eyeliner, white under the contours, curl your lashes, put on your mascara. Okay, this is where shit hits the motherfucking fan. I was using the Jeffree Star lip liner. This shit sucks. It started crumbling off before I even left the house. Around the edges it was crumbling off. On the inner corner it was so dry. So I ended up, this is in Mannequin, and then I put Mannequin over top of it with the liquid lipstick, and then I put I'm Nude over top of that. It's the usual combination I do except for the lip liner. And I had to take it off, and then I started over with I'm Nude all over, and then just a lip topper from Revolution Beauty. But in this one I used Mannequin, I'm Nude, and then the new Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss in Fussy. Throw on some lashes. Bitch, these lashes are from Wish. And that's it, guys. That's the final look. You know me. I get my flask. I was out there motherfucking drinking. Hope I'll have a great night. This is me in just bedroom lighting. Bye.